Hi cuties, how are you all? Have you all finished your chapter 1 and chapter 2 classwork copy and bookwork? Today we are going to see chapter 1.
Happy day, children. Today we are going to revise chapter 1 whole number, children. Numbers up to 1 lakh. Do you know how to read and write numbers from 0 to 1 lakh? It's very important to read the number and write the number. Children, here the number is given as 23,548. How can you write 20,000? To write the number as 20,000, leave this number 2 under 10,000 place. Then in remaining places you have to write 0. So 20000. It makes 20,000. Then if you want to write 3,000, you have to write 0 under hundreds, tens and ones place. So it makes 3,000. As same as for 500, you have to write 0 under tens and ones place. Then we will get 500. If you want to consider 4 tens, then you have to, that means 40, you have to write 0 under ones place, which means 40. In ones place, as usual, you have to write the single digit number as 8. If you write the given numbers as 20,000, 3,548 as separately and add together, you will get the same answer as 23,548. In this way, you have to read the number and write the number. You should know how to write the number in number name also. It is very important. 23,548 can be written as 23,540. For 40 you should not write as FOUR. You have to write as FORTY, 48. In this way you should know how to read the number and write the number name for the given number. Next topic is identifying values of digits. What number is given? 68,974. First you have to separate the given values using ones, tens, hundreds, thousands and 10,000s. In ones place 4 is there, so you have to write it as a single digit. So write it as 4 as it is given. Then 7 tens. This is 7 is in tens place. So 7 tens are 70. Which means in ones place you will get the value as 0. 70. 7 tens are 70. So you have to write the value of 7 which is in tens place as 70. In hundreds place 9 is there. Which means what is the value of 9 in hundreds place? The value of 9 in hundreds place is 900. 100 tens ones. In tens and ones you have to put 0 to find the value of 9 in hundreds place. So 900 is 900. Then in thousands place 8 is there. So what is the value of 8 in thousands place? As I said already, in thousands place 8 is there. So you have to write it as 8,000, which means 8000. In hundreds, tens and ones place you have to put the value as 0. Then you will get the particular value of thousands place. As same as thousands place, in tens place 6 is there. So you have to write 60,000. 60,000 means you have to write 60000, which means except 10,000 place, remaining places will have the value as 0. So you will get the answer as 60000 as 60,000. The digit 8 stands for 8,000 because 8 is in thousands place, so you will get the answer as 8,000. The digit 6 stands for 60,000 because it is in 10,000's place, so you will get the answer as 60,000. Here the problem is given. Hope you all have done all these problems. I say how to do one problem again. 25,168. See here in ones place 8 is there, so only 8 is written in ones place. In tens place 6 is there, so 60. In hundreds place 1 is there, so 100. In thousand place 5 is there, so 5,000. You have to write 5. In right side you have 3 place values, hundreds, tens and ones, so you have to put 0 for these places. So 5 0 0 0 5 0. So you have to write here as 5 3 zeros, 5,000. In 10,000 place 2 is there, 2 into 10 20, 20,000. In except 10,000 place, remaining places you have to put 0, so you will get 20,000. As same as you have to do all the problems. Children, here you have to find the place value. Look at the question. The digit 7 is in the dash place. Where is the value 7? Start from here. It is in 10,000's place. So you have to write here as 10,000 in number name. Next topic is finding more than and less than. Listen here. What number is 100 more than 73,125? 100 more than means in hundreds place you have to consider. In this number, which digit is in hundreds place? Ones, tens and hundreds. In hundreds place, the digit 1 is there. How much you have to increase more? 100. That means in hundreds place you have to add one more. So in hundreds place if you add one more, it will become 1 plus 1, 2. So your answer will be 73,000. 1 becomes 2, right? So 225. Look at here. 73,000. Instead of 1 we are adding one more. So it will be 2. 73,225. 100 more than 73,125 is 73,225. Similarly, in this question, what number is 10,000 more than 73,125? That means 10,000 means in 10,000 place 1 is there. Here in 10,000 place 7 is there. So you have to increase one more in 10,000 place. In 10,000 place 7 is there. So you have to add one more here. 7 plus 1 8. So you will get the answer as 7 plus 1 is 8 in 10,000 place. You have to say it as 83,125. As same as more than concept, you have to do less than concept also. Look at here. What number is 1000 less than 64,352? 1000 less than means in thousands place you have to reduce one value. Here 1 is there, so you have to reduce one value. Which is thousands place? Ones, tens, hundreds and thousand. 4 is in thousands place. So you have to reduce one value, minus 1. Okay. 4 minus 1 is 3. In thousands place 4 values are there. So you take away 1. Then remaining how many? 3. So you have to write the answer as 63,352 as your answer for this question. Look at this problem. 10 more than 50,640 is dash. So in tens place you have to add one more value. Here which is tens place? Ones, tens. 4 is in tens place. Here you have to add one more value. Okay, 4 plus 1. 4 plus 1 is 5. So your answer is 50,650. 4 plus 1, 10. You have to add 10 more in tens place. So your answer is 50,650. In tens place we are adding one more value. That means here you are adding 10. 4 plus 1, 5. So 50. 50,650. Similarly you have to do the remaining problems also. Hope you all understood how to do more than and less than concept with the given number.
Revise this chapter for your periodic assessment test 1. Subscribe this channel Red Hot Spicy Samial to view the videos of chapter 1 from playlist of this channel.